Unloaded. Truck's a bit muddy. Well, it's about time to get going. We gotta get that out. This is in the way. We got that tractor. And Xavier's up there. So, once again, another successful day, I guess, for the South Knox FFA group. I'm going to try and start doing this every year. This is my second year coming here and doing this, but as you can see, there's our 7210, there's our 8400, and there's the 470 of ours. They drive tractor to school every day. Wednesday this week. The weather always sucks, but somehow last year and this year cleared up just enough for me to fly my drone. So yeah, it's really neat to see them come together and do this. I mean, there was 28 tractors here today. Last year, my last year of doing it, there was, I think there was around 22 or 23 of them. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, I'll link that up in the corner up here. But yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and send them all the drone stuff I got. It was pretty cool. Also, they're doing a safety demonstration with a PTO and a dummy. So yeah. This is always fun. So today we're going down to get the excavator. We gotta move the excavator just down the road a little ways again. We just gotta go down a gravel road and cross a paved road, so it won't be that far of a drive. Me and Dad are gonna go down there and move it again. Luckily it's on the Indiana side now, it's over here. We can move it a little bit easier and we can move it around ourselves. Sorry ahead of time, this video is going to be a little bit skippy. I've taken some clips over the past few days. My dad's truck was having some issues with it. We ended up having to take it to get it worked on. Just some small things like that. We thought it was a fuel pump issue on Dad's truck, but it actually turned out being a putting nitrogen on wheat, putting anhydrous on for corn ground, start working a little bit of ground, some other stuff here and there. Just making sure the fields are ready to go is the main thing. We got some disking that we gotta do up in Emerson. Just some small stuff like that's gotta be done yet. Oh, come on. Find the right gear. There we go. Woo! Pull it up. Love this truck. I always hate it whenever Dad wants to load it like this, because as you can tell, there's power line here, there's power line there, and then here comes Dad getting ready to walk up on the trailer. It's sketcy, very sketchy, but it's fun. Trailer down. So I gotta go up here and watch him. Make sure he gets on the trailer. Go that way a little bit. Now he's got to put the bucket up here on the end of the trailer. Maybe not. Maybe he's going to do it different this time. Barely clearing the power lines. Good God. Set you guys right here so you can watch. I gotta go up there. Help. That's good. Next stop, Deckers. Listen to her purr. This one right here is what I'm worried about. Oh, he barely missed that. Whoa, that was close. Just about there. Unloaded. Truck's a bit muddy. Might have to clean it off before I go home. Well, it's about time to get going. We gotta get that out. This is in the way. We got that tractor. And Xavier's up there. So what we gotta do is we gotta pull start it because it is dead and there's that board underneath there. Gotta remember how the gears go. Right there. Alright, we're gonna get him to give her a go. Hopefully we don't break anything. There ain't nothing that can make you any happier than full start to 40/20. So now we're gonna back this thing in here. Hook up here. This is the 420. It's smaller than what we usually like to put on these big cultivators, but it'll have to work for now. Are you trying to blow out the speakers?
No.
Xavier. So with this cultivator we have to be very careful that we don't hit these rafters in the ceiling. So we're gonna have Xavier drive out here slowly. It gets very close on top. Not really here as bad as what it does whenever it gets closer outside. We used to have a bigger field cultivator than this. We used to have a 48-foot sunflower. Yeah, see, we're dragging the number 2. Number 2. Whoa! Number 2. Go down. Now go forward. Oh, it's gonna be close up top there. get him to raise it up here so he doesn't destroy the road. That axle don't look good either. We might have more work to do up here than what we thought. It's out though, that's what counts. We can find it right here, it'll work better. Gotta make sure we got the shed locked up, got the door shut, got the 4020 parked. Now we gotta check on the, yeah, I think Xavier's having all kinds of issues. I break it over there before he breaks something else. So we just checked that thing over, checked over the bearings on the bottom of it because it's got about a 15-20 mile drive home. Probably figured it'd be a good idea to go ahead and check them, make sure that they're not gonna not gonna fall apart. He's folding up now, picking everything up, and he's gonna head on home. So I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna shut everything off and make sure that everything's closed up before we head out.